This Bazova 25-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set is a comprehensive kitchen solution designed for health-conscious cooks, families, and culinary enthusiasts who want convenience, safety, and performance in every meal. This complete set includes a wide variety of pots, pans, and utensils to accommodate everyday cooking, meal prep, and special occasions. Its natural ceramic coating is 100% free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, cadmium, and other toxic substances, ensuring you can cook your favorite meals safely without exposure to harmful chemicals. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Bazova has designed this cookware set with versatility and durability in mind. Each piece is crafted from heavy-duty ceramic material that allows for fast and even heat distribution. This eliminates hot spots, ensuring that your dishes cook uniformly and retain their flavor. Whether you're searing meats, sautéing vegetables, simmering sauces, or frying eggs, this set provides consistent results while reducing the need for excessive oil, supporting healthier cooking habits. Beyond its performance, the Bazova set is engineered for convenience. The non-stick ceramic surface ensures effortless food release, making cooking and cleanup simple. Unlike traditional Teflon-coated cookware, this natural ceramic surface resists scratching and maintains its non-stick properties even after repeated use. Its creamy white aesthetic adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while ergonomic handles provide safe and comfortable handling during cooking. The 25-piece set includes multiple frying pans, saucepans, sauté pans, a mini egg pan, lids, and various cooking utensils. This extensive collection ensures that you have the right tool for every recipe, whether it's a quick breakfast, a family dinner, or a holiday feast. Additionally, the cookware is compatible with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, offering complete flexibility for all kitchen setups. Perfect for the Bazova 25-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set is perfect for health-conscious individuals, busy families, aspiring chefs, and anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with versatile and safe cookware. It is ideal for those who want high-quality, non-toxic, and durable cookware that can handle everything from everyday meals to large family gatherings. This set is also an excellent choice for gift-giving for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays, offering both practicality and elegance. Practical use scenarios: weekday cooking. Quickly prepare eggs, pancakes, stir-fried vegetables, and sauces using the non-stick frying pans and saucepans. Meal prepping. The assortment of pots and pans allows for simultaneous cooking of multiple dishes for easy weekly meal planning. Family gatherings. Large capacity sauté pans and saucepans accommodate hearty meals. For family dinners or special celebrations. Healthy cooking. Minimal oil required for cooking, promoting low-fat, nutritious meals for the entire household. Easy cleanup. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying meals with family and friends. Thanks to the natural non-stick ceramic surface. Why Bazova stands out. Bazova combines safety, durability, and style in this 25-piece ceramic cookware set, making it a standout choice for modern kitchens. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware, this set is free from harmful chemicals and designed for long-lasting performance. Each piece heats evenly, is compatible with multiple stovetops, and is built to withstand daily use without warping or scratching. The large selection of pots, pans, and utensils ensures that you are fully equipped to handle any recipe, whether simple or complex. Tips for best use. Preheat pans gradually to protect the non-stick ceramic coating and ensure optimal cooking performance. Use silicone, wooden, or plastic utensils to preserve the non-stick surface. Stack and store cookware using the included lids and accessories to avoid scratches and maintain longevity. Final thoughts. The Bazova 25-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set is a complete, high-quality solution for anyone looking to cook healthier, cleaner, and more efficiently. Its toxin-free ceramic coating, fast and even heat distribution, and ergonomic design make it a reliable choice for both daily cooking and special occasions. The variety of included pieces ensures that every kitchen task is covered, from frying eggs to preparing large family meals. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your kitchen experience today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.